Hello everyone. I'm a trader and your friend from Trading Tricky. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you some tips that will help you to achieve 90% of success in your trading for all the trading platform like IQ options, Olim Trade, Pocket options, Biamino and so on. So this video for those traders who are losing over the time. I know a lot of traders started trading without proper knowledge and constantly losing money. That's the reason I am here to help you all. So please watch the video till the end and do not forget to like and share the video with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more video in the future. If you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you follow my Telegram channel, you will learn new tips every day that I published. Just write me in the comments box below if you have any trade related doubt or want to learn something new. You can find the detail in the video description below. So let's begin. Today I will discuss with you about trend reversal patterns so that you will understand how the market started to change direction. The main important things is when to enter a trade, because entry points are very much important in the binary trading. Well, for the pattern we should have 3 to 4 red candle, and then the green candle should engulf the third candle. Also this candle should close at least above the on third of the second candle. I put the candle numbers to make you understand clearly. After complete the green candles, we can open a buy position. Maybe next candle will move down a little for a while, but at the end mostly it will close as a green candle. But before open a trade, you should check another things. If the momentum is very strong, like 4, 5 or 6 red candles, then you should wait for another candle. Maybe that next candle will made a red candle and then it will make another green candle here, something like this. So momentum or market structure also very important. Okay, now I am going to show you some valid reversal candles which has power to reverse the market. In the example you can see the green candle engulfs the third candle, also close above the on third of the second candle. In this situation you can open a buy position if the previous momentum is not very strong, as I told you on the previous slide. According to the formation also you can open a buy position because the green candle engulfs the third candle, also candle close half of the second candle. It means buyers are more powerful in this candle. According to the formation, the third candle confirms that buyers are very active on the market, but it will confirm when the green candle close above than the third candle opening price. Now we can see candle close above than the third candle's opening price. It means in this candle we can open a buy position with confidence. Now let me show you some invalid candlesticks pattern which will help you to minimize the losing trade so that you can be aware of it before open a trade. This is very important for trading because if you can minimize one loss out of 10 trade, your winning ratio will increase automatically. In the example, you can see the green candle just engulfed the third candle but unable to touch the second candle. In this situation, better to avoid the trade. According to the formation, we can see candle close below than the third candle. It means buyers are not enough strong. So better to avoid that trade. According to the formation, The third candle shows that buyers are interested, but if you see the green candle, that candles are very small and unable to cross the third candle opening price. So in this situation, better to avoid the trade. So let me show you clearly an example where and when to open a trade. Always follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you may face some losses, but never will face big losses. And at the end, your account will grow gradually. Most of the loser traders I talk with always thinking the market is already too low, so now the time to place counter trade because market will reverse. But my friend, you don't know how far the market will go, so let them go. Do not try to reverse the market yourself. It will reverse itself when the time comes. Don't jump in the trading without proper confirmation. I have an announcement to make that I made a complete course of educational video about candlestick psychology, which is 9 classes on our each class. I have discussed all the proven and profitable strategy over there. If you are interested, please contact me. Anyway, now let's talk about a few rules that you should follow before open a trade. Number 1. What is the trend? Number 2. What is the candle? Is this reversal or continuation? Number 3. Where the candle close? Number 4. How strong the area? Number 5. Is there any pattern formed? So if you follow these 5 rules before open a trade, I am sure that your winning percentage will increase definitely. So let me show you few examples here. If you observe in this chart, trend is downtrend, market is respecting these levels every time, market making new low. Last candle engulfed the third candles and candle close at the on third of the second candles. So in this situation, we can go with sellers because trend is downtrend. This is engulfing candle and candle close on third of the second candles. So let me show you another example here. If you observe this market also downtrend and market respecting these levels. But if you observe this point, market made a new low, but this time market didn't made a new low, and here we can see breakout. This candle break the levels, though there is a engulfing and candle close on third of the second candle, but in this situation better to avoid because this candle broke the levels. After breakout, still we can see buyers candles. So in this situation, better to avoid. So let me show you another example here. Here also you can see market is downtrend, but same situation, made a new low, but this time there is no new low. This candle broke the levels. Again we can see strong buyers. After that also there is some sellers. Again we can see buyers. It means buyers are more powerful, and this candle didn't engulf the last candles. This candle also has a buying pressure. It means in this situation we should not open a lower option. So if you analyze the market by this way before open a trade, I am sure that your winning percentage will increase definitely. If you think the video is going to help you, then do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks a lot for watching.